Okay, people, welcome to the TV, Rasta TV, PV, all day. Happy holidays to you. Now, we had to make a few arrangements on the table because it got wet. I'm not gonna lie, it got wet just a little bit, just a little. But that won't happen again because of some improvements that we have made. Check us out, family. First off, this is the outside of us. Yeah. And we walk into a secluded area now. To where we have our table. We have lights. We have extra light to illuminate the table. We have our pay chart. We got that. For our beginners that don't know too much. We have our chips, which we are getting more. We're gonna paint our all tall, all small, make them all. We're gonna do that ourselves. Yeah. We have our new camera angle, so we don't have the face on there. Yes. Yes. We're gonna, yeah. We're gonna do this real nice. Real nice, family. Real nice. Yeah. Like I said, we got rained out, and we're not gonna let that happen again. Cause we can't let nothing happen to our money maker. You know what I'm talking about? So from now on, our angles will be off of that camera. Catch us clear down the screen. Like we can adjust it higher, lower, sideways, however you want to do it. We can do that. But just people's out, We're gonna paint the chips. We're gonna paint that to make it look like an all tall. I mean, an all small. We're gonna paint that to look like an all tall. We're gonna paint this to look like a make 'em all. And of course, the chips we're gonna paint those, of course. 2 through 6, 8 through 12. We're gonna get in more chips to fill in right here. But we're about to start shooting. We're about to start giving you some videos as of now. Because we're all nice and covered up now. Yes, we're all nice and covered up. Yes. We out here, yeah, yeah, yeah. We no expenses. The beautiful plush chairs, you see them over there. Yeah. Oop, that's my drink. Total 360. Let you see how the place look. But we had to put a tent up because we couldn't have our table getting wet anymore. We couldn't have that no more. So we're gonna be back at it as of right now. We're about to put the music on. So our next video that's gonna follow this, we're about to get ready to do some practice shots. That's coming up exactly after this video. So stay tuned. From this angle, should be able to see how everything is hitting the table. The camera phone should show you everything. Hard ice. Our set. That's going to be the set we're going to be using. We're going to be working on this set for a while. That's our set. Let me know what you think. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave the comments. Make sure if you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell. Make sure you hit that bell. We need you to hit that bell. Come on, Crafts family. We all one right here. Positive vibes only. Let's go.